Today's video tayo gagawa ng ham salad. So, naka-chop na itong ham ko. Ayan. Oh, ang dami pala nito. Marami kaming leftover na salad dahil sa Thanksgiving. So, ngayon para hindi masira yung salad, yung ham at makain naman, gagawa tayo ng ham with celery and egg salad. So, ito naka-chop up na yung ham. I-mix natin ng celery. Ayan, mahalo natin to dito. Looks yummy. And then, we're going to add also a cut up onions. Ayan. Then next, lang, ang mga ingredients lang natin ay salad, celery, and onions. Plus, we need to have an boiled egg. Naka-chop up na rin yung aking egg. So, yan na. Dadagdagan lang natin ng relish and mayonnaise. Ayan, to taste. And black pepper. Ayan. So, that's it. That's the ingredients. This one is a low carb food. So, ganyan karami yung relish na nilagay ko para masarap. And then, we're going to add mayonnaise. Okay. Siguro mga 2 big tablespoon. Just to taste. And black pepper. That's it. Ready na to. Ilagay lang sa refrigerator. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. In my tummy. Oh, meron palang hindi na-cut up. Sorry. I can just eat that one. It's still big. So, ito na. Low carb salad. There's no carbohydrates in this one. It's only ham, celery, egg, onions, and sweet relish and mayonnaise. Dahil maalat na yung, hindi na masyadong maalat yung aking ham. It's good. So, hindi ko na siya lalagyan ng salt. No more salt. Okay? So, that's the finished product. Yummy, yummy. Okay, so kung kayo ay merong ham na naiwan, just make it like this. And voila, this is good for 1 week. Or if you are going to a party, you can bring this to a party. Yes, later on, dadalhin ko siya sa party na aking pupuntahan. Okay guys, maraming salamat sa panunood. And follow me for more videos. Thank you.